everybody, and welcome back to LS News. I'm Seth Robertson.
And I'm Logan Lipscomb.
And today we have got an awesome plan lined up. We are going to talk about stars.
Yay!
So do you know how many stars there are in the universe?
I guess probably, I counted once. I got all the way to 60.
Yeah, I did too. But apparently there's over 100 billion in the universe.
100 billion stars. That's more friends than I have on Facebook.
Not for me, but but because of this, we started thinking, there's 100 billion stars out there, and they're all different and they all have different qualities. So what we just wanted to do is we wanted to check it out, and kind of study stars and the physics behind them.
So we went and we talked to some students here at Snow College and asked them, why do stars twinkle?
Let's see what they had to say.
Because of something in the atmosphere.
Well, according to Lion King. Never mind, I don't remember what they say.
I always thought they were balls of gas burning billions of miles away.
Pumbaa, with you, everything's gas.
Because the light, when it's traveling through space, kind of gets messed up on its way.
Okay.
I think it's to reflect the hope that we have in our heart.
Maybe the magma pulses on the star, I guess?
Makes them look pretty because their mass is so dense that it causes it to explode outwards in the form of light.
Well, I know that they are made of, like it says in Lion King,
Balls of gas.
and so as the gas and fire is erupting, exploding, that kind of light, I guess, is also doing the same. It's kind of like a fire.
Because of magic?
I actually don't think stars twinkle. I think it's just your eyes playing tricks on you.
I don't know.
So as you can see, there are a whole bunch of theories and ideas and guesses about why stars twinkle. But let's talk about the actual science behind it.
The magic. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's the Doppler effect. So for any of you who don't know what the Doppler effect is, just to explain it really quick for you. So I don't know if you've ever remembered this or if you've ever heard it, but you remember when you were a kid and you're in the car and you heard an ambulance drive past you, and when it was coming at you, it was like a higher sound? That's because the sound waves that were emitted by the siren were emitting at a steady rate, but because the ambulance was moving forward, it compresses the waves in the front, making it a higher pitch. And this has something to do with stars as well.
Thanks, Logan. So once you understand the Doppler effect, you can understand that light travels all in the same way as sound, except super fast. And so as light is traveling from the stars to the Earth, it's traveling in waves, and then all of a sudden it hits the Earth's atmosphere. And in the Earth's atmosphere, there are pockets of hot air and cold air, and differences in atmospheric pressure because of the hot and cold air. And what that does is it changes, kind of bends the path that the light is taking. And so as a bystander is sitting looking up at the stars, the path that the light's taken has actually bent, and it will bend in and out of their view. And so that's why it looks like it twinkles.
Hey, welcome back, guys. And so, to continue a conversation about stars, if any of you have ever wondered why stars are different colors, this is why. So stars kind of radiate heat, kind of like they do, like a coal does in a fire. Like how there's a red one, a white one, and if it's really, really hot, it'll be blue. And it's kind of the same idea with stars, except their heat depends on how much hydrogen they're absorbing. So a star that absorbs a ton of hydrogen it's a blue color. It's the hottest of them all. And then, it goes down the spectrum from white to yellow to orange and to red. So if you're ever wondering and you're ever looking through a telescope if a star is hot or not, they're all hot. But which one's the hottest? It's going to be a blue one.
Thanks for tuning in to tonight's episode of LS News. We hope you learned something about stars.
It was one twinkling episode.
Be sure to tune in next time for Aurora Borealis Explained.
Or how to make s'mores in the Bermuda Triangle.
Until then, we'll see ya.
Bye! So,